Hello everyone, this is Rachel from QH Technology. This is the battery we just built up. It's a 25.6 voltage 150 ampere battery. Its composed method is A series and 1 parallel. Parameters: dimension 522, 240, 280 military. Weight 28 kg. Charging current 150 amp. Discharging current 150 amp. Working temperature 20-Celsius to 60 Celsius. Cycle life 5000. Guarantee 3 years. Install signal acquisition wires in sequence. Cut the signal line to an appropriate length. Connect positive and negative wires with connecting pieces. Soldering signal lines with lead-free solder. Put battery pack in the shell and fill EVA condom. Secure BMS with thermally conductive type. Connect the B- of BMS to negative of the battery pack. Connect positive power line. Connect the positive and negative power line to the cap. Check the signal lines in correct order. Wrong sequence may cause BMS to burn out. Plug signal acquisition wires ports into interference. Test voltage of the battery pack. Charging test. Discharging test. Through the Bluetooth, you can check each battery cell's voltage and the whole battery pack's voltage, temperature, SOC, and more information on the app. We also produce 24-volt batteries of different capacity includes 30 Ah, 50 Ah, 85 Ah, 100 Ah, 120 Ah, 150 Ah, and 200 Ah. We can OEM and ODM different sizes and different discharge current, and we also have Bluetooth function and automatic heating function in different applications. Solar wind power system, community and family backup system, telecom base, UPS, medical instrument, etc. All the products will do the aging test to ensure that there are no potential defects. We have multiple protections in packaging to ensure that the products will not be damaged during transportation. All high-quality products will be stored in a warehouse with proper temperature and light, waiting to be delivered to you. We already have several branch offices in many countries, and we are finding big distributors all over the world. For more information, please search our website.